top it off. Pop, lock, and drop it. What's up guys, my name is Kat and I'm the Liquor Fairy. Today is the 5th video on our 12 Days of Holiday Cocktail series. This drink is called the Jack Frost Mimosa and it's made with blue curacao, Fabrizio limoncello, and Poggio Prosecco. To start the drink off, we're going to add half an ounce of the blue curacao to our shaker. Then after we've added the blue curacao, we're going to add 1 ounce of the Fabrizio limoncello. After we've added both of those to our shaker, we can go ahead and cap it and shake it up. Once we're done shaking it, go ahead and add it to the bottom of our flute glass. Then once that's poured, go ahead and top it off with Poggio Prosecco. I went with the individual ones that have a twist top because I didn't want to deal with the cork and the suspense of having the cork pop off. So yeah, they come in 3 packs. For $10. Well worth the money. And there you have it, an easy and festive mimosa you can make during this holiday season. If you want to try out this recipe or any of the others that are to come in the 12 Days of Holiday Cocktail series, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the videos to come. Now chug.